Very nice 4-bedroom 3.5-bath 2-story home. Great floor plan with a living and dining room combination, huge eating kitchen with cinder island, stainless steel appliances including a double wall oven overlooking the morning room and also a family room which has a gas fireplace. There is also an office which could be a 5th bedroom. The entire downstairs has hardwood flooring throughout. Your upstairs has 4 nice-sized bedrooms including the master bedroom with a large sitting area and 2 huge walk-in closets. Your master bath has a separate shower stall, jacuzzi tub and 2 sinks. The seller replaced the carpeting upstairs and in the basement. Some of the rooms have fresh paint throughout. The finished basement is a great space, perfect for entertaining and also has a full bath. Your outside features include an above-ground pool and fenced-in yard. Solar panels are a 20-year lease, monthly payment is $189.87. There are 14 years remaining.